Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into your OnePay account or create a OnePay account. This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I hope you have downloaded your OnePay application using the App Store. All you need to do is just search for OnePay on App Store and simply go ahead and download it by tapping on it. Now, once you've downloaded it, simply click on open. And once you're going to do that, it's going to take you to this page right over here. It's going to say what's your number and sign in. However, that is not what we want to do. We want to sign up. So simply go ahead and click on the cross icon on the top right and click on yes exit. Now click on get started with OnePay. And now it's going to go ahead and ask you for your number. Simply go ahead and enter your number. Once you've entered your number, it's going to simply go ahead and send you a verification code. And finally, after entering the verification code, it will make you make a password for the account. And simply once you enter the password, that is going to be it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.